Hey, this is Ryan Jones from Serverless Guru. In this video, we're going to be diving into a wrap-up of this entire thing. We're going to tear down our stack. We're going to log out of the Serverless Enterprise solution. Let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to do is run SLS remove -- stage dev -v. We can run that. The reason why we don't have to pass the -- profile or the -- region is because we set these default values here. So if you look back, if we don't pass a -- profile, it's going to set serverless tutorial, which is correct. And if we don't pass a region, it's going to set US East 2, which is also correct. And then we get this update here that says that the enterprise dashboard picked up that this service was deleted. So let's check it out. There you go. So there are no services in this application. So it did finally pick it up. And what that basically shows is that we've deleted everything. So if we go back to functions here, we don't see anything. If we go to CloudFormation, we shouldn't see anything either. Cool, and we don't. And then the last thing we can do is we could run SLS Logout. So it says you logged out of Serverless Enterprise. I'm actually going to keep us in, so I'm going to say SLS Login. We use Serverless Enterprise for kind of monitoring our stuff as we move through the course. So sweet, we're up, we're ready to go.